How's it going, guys? It's been a while since I made a YouTube video, and that's because I've just been extremely busy at work, and then I went on vacation for a week, which is amazing, by the way. Great time of relaxation on the beach. But I got a few new items here. This is only a few. I got a lot more. I'm going to make a separate video later. I decided to do a review on the cheapest 3,000 watt inverter on Amazon, and that would be this sucker. I'll have a video on this later. It's pretty funny. And then I got my computer cooling fans for my liquid cooled 8,000 watt inverter. They're nice. No cheaping out on fans. That's all fine and dandy. Those are just little chintzy nothings. This is the real cool thing here. This, I got a partial, or I got a sponsorship from a European company, and they sell this where they're located, but they want me to do some testing over here in North America, see if it's how well it works with our systems and whatnot. So we're going to be doing some testing. It is, what is this thing here? The Nectar S. It is a hot water tank control for solar. So you put solar panel input goes there. This you would plug into your outlet of your house, and then your hot water tank, as you can see, plugs into here. So when you have enough solar power, this is a screen, when you have enough solar power, the solar power feeds this plug, and when there's not enough solar power, it takes from this outlet and it feeds your hot water tank. It's got a thermostat, it's got all kinds of stuff. So I gotta read the instructions. I just got this in the mail, so I'm really excited. You can see, you can set the temperature. I don't know, are these buttons? I feel like these are buttons. I'm not sure though. Like I said, I gotta read up on this thing. I really don't know a whole lot about it yet. I'm just excited to use it. So that'll take care of my hot water problem. So that's pretty neat. I appreciate it very much, Nectar S for this. So there it is. You guys can check them out. They do have a website and everything. So I'm pretty sure you can buy these already. My dad already wants to buy one of these for himself, so that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna try it out first and see how it works. I think it's got a fan on the back, or is this thing all passive? I don't know. It's got a lot of electronics in there, you can see. Anyways, that's for another day. This video is getting too long. Anyways, just a quick update. Thanks for watching.